Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on sound and vibration. Now we have to scroll down, and as you can see here we've got whole ringtone section, and we can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option, and also for the notifications. So let me show you how to do it using the ringtones, for example, and as you can see we just have been transferred to the full list of available ringtones which are defaultly installed on this device. What's more, we can tap on select from files, and here we will be just transferred to the files which we have downloaded, for example, and if we will have any compatible ones, they will appear right here just like this one, and we will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to check how the particular one sounds is to tap on it, and you will be able to listen to how it sounds. And if you are happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked like here, and simply get back. As you can see, it is notified right here that from now on my ringtone will be longing, so it means that my device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify me the incoming call. Obviously the same situation will be with notification sound, so simply tap on it. Here you've got tone tunes, here you've got also the options to select from files, and here you've got some defaultly installed ones, so just the same situation. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.